Add warm milk 1 cup. White vinegar 1 tablespoon. Stir well and set aside. Powdered sugar 125 gram. All-purpose flour 120 gram. Cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. Sift well. Mix everything together. Add prepared buttermilk. Oil 1/2 cup. Vanilla essence 1 tablespoon. Red food color 1 teaspoon. Whisk until just combined. Scoop the batter in 2 cupcake liners. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Once done, allow to cool completely. Add cream cheese 80 gram. Whisk until smooth. Cold whipping cream 1 cup. Whisk together until stiff peaks form. Pipe the cream cheese frosting on top. Top cupcakes with desired sprinkles. Enjoy!